Welcome back, kings, queens, and jokers. Another episode of Chop It Like It's Hot with Judd. That's me.
Alright, folks, Judd here, and today we're making my famous buffalo chicken dip. And when I say famous, I mean prepare for glory, because this recipe is a game changer. You know, that dip that disappears faster than a free beer at a tailgate? Yeah, that one. This isn't just any dip, it's the dip. Perfect for Sunday football with the boys, poker night, or even a ladies' get together. You know this celery stick? It's not just for garnish. It's one of my secret ingredients. Don't worry, I'll spill all the beans, or should I say, all the celery seeds. Alright, time to get cheesy. And not just with my jokes, although I can do that too. We're grating a glorious half brick of old cheddar. None of that pre-shredded nonsense here. We're committed to flavor. This sharp, tangy goodness is going to melt into pure gooey perfection. Get those arm muscles ready. We're building a strong foundation of flavor. Now, for the MVP, bacon, my secret weapon. We slice it thick, we get it nice and crispy in the pan, and yes, we're saving that precious bacon grease. Waste not, want not. Especially when it's liquid gold. This adds depth, richness, and that irresistible crunch to our dip. Let the magic begin. 3 raw chicken breasts, chilling like villains in the bottom of the crock pot. Next, 8 ounces of Velveeta, classic for creaminess. Half of our shredded cheddar goes in now, about a cup. The rest we save for later. Then, garlic and herb cream cheese. 2 teaspoons of garlic puree, because more garlic is always better. Half a teaspoon of ground celery seed, my other must-have secret ingredient. And that little special thing, just under half a teaspoon of bacon grease. Trust me. In goes that glorious freshly chopped celery. Half a cup. 1.5 tablespoons of ground onion soup mix. Umami bomb. Half a cup of blue cheese dressing. Because ranch with buffalo? That's a sin, people. And a half a cup of Frank's buffalo hot sauce. Keep it classic. Finally, that perfectly cooked crispy bacon into the pot. Now cook it on low until the chicken is choppable and perfectly to temp. Patience, my friend. Glorious dip is on its way. Alright, mission accomplished. Our chicken is cooked to perfection, tender, and ready for its moment of glory. It's practically falling apart. I like to chop it, whatever floats your boat. The key is to get it into bite-sized pieces so every scoop of this dip is packed with juicy chicken goodness. You want to make sure it's chopped just right, or you might find yourself in a sticky situation. Calling a bluff on flavor. Man, this dip isn't just for game day, you know. Imagine this at a holiday potluck, a backyard barbecue, or even a casual Friday night. This, my friends, is adaptable deliciousness. Just like a triumphant hero returning home, our chicken is rejoining its friends in the crockpot. Get in there, you magnificent bird. Almost there, folks. The aromas in here are getting dangerously good. My taste buds are doing a happy dance. Simple as that. Just a quick little shuffle to get everything perfectly combined. We want every single bite to be an explosion of flavor. Don't be shy. Get all those amazing ingredients mingling. Alright, transfer time. Spoon all that glorious, bubbling, fragrant dip into a pie dish. Now remember that reserved cheddar? That goes right on top. A beautiful blanket of cheesy goodness ready for destiny. Into the oven she goes. Just a quick visit under the broiler until it's beautifully browned. Golden perfection. And for the grand finale, the crowning glory, a generous drizzle of blue cheese dressing. This, my friends, is how you make a statement. Go forth and dip.
Spoon me. I'm all in. Now that's a full house of flavor.
Thanks for watching. Now smash that like and subscribe button. And don't forget to share.